Obsidian's community plugin ecosystem has grown to 800 plus plugins in 2026. But installing too many plugins slows your vault and creates complexity. These 10 plugins deliver 90% of the value with minimal overhead. Data View. Query your notes like a database. Templater. Create dynamic templates with logic and variables. Calendar. Navigate daily notes visually. Tasks. Manage to-dos across your entire vault with dates, priorities, and recurring tasks. These 4 plugins form the backbone of any productive Obsidian setup. Quick Add. Capture ideas without leaving your current note. Kanban. Visual project boards inside your vault. DB Folder. Turn any folder into a database view. These 3 plugins transform Obsidian from a note-taking app into a project management tool that rivals Notion. Excalidraw. Whiteboard and visual thinking inside Obsidian. Strange new worlds. See how many notes reference your current note inline. Readwise Official. Sync highlights from Kindle, articles, and podcasts directly into your vault. These make your knowledge network visible and continuously growing. Installation and configuration of all 10 plugins on a fresh vault, showing practical examples of each. A Data View project dashboard, a template-powered weekly review, and a Kanban project board with tasks integration. Install the core 4 first. They take 10 minutes to set up and immediately change how you use Obsidian. My configuration files for all 10 plugins are downloadable in the description.